Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to study basic ion carbon equilibrium diagram. That ion carbon equilibrium diagram is also called as Fe3C diagram. That one carbon reacting with the three ferrous atoms. That is Fe3C. Three ferrous atoms and another is only one carbon atom. So that is Fe3C diagram. Ion carbon equilibrium diagram. One minute, students. This ion carbon equilibrium diagram is important part of MEM study. This is basic for your further MEM part. मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग मटेरियलमध्ये पुढचा अभ्यास करण्यासाठी ही आयन कार्बन डायग्राम खूप महत्त्वाचा भाग आहे. याच्यावर बेसिस पुढचा अभ्यास आपल्याला करायचा असतो. सो दिस इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज आयन कार्बन इक्विलिब्रियम डायग्राम ऑन विच एक्स एक्सिस देर इज अ composition of weight percent. Carbon's weight percentage means the in composition, and on your y-axis there is a temperature in degree Celsius or either in the Fahrenheit. So that is your ion carbon equilibrium diagram. Again I am sharing the screen. Let the screen shared. So this is your ion carbon equilibrium diagram. Ion carbon. So as per the carbon percentage changes, carbon percentage right from 0% to up to 6.67%. So as there is change in carbon percentage, also change in temperature. There are different phases. There are different phases of ion. There are different phases of carbon. You can see. So this part of ion carbon equilibrium diagram. This part of ion carbon equilibrium diagram is also called as entropy of ion. That entropy of ion means ion shows different phase structures. Ion shows different phase structures at different composition as well as at different temperatures. So this part of this property of ion is called as ion carbon equilibrium diagram also. This ion carbon equilibrium diagram is important part for any study, further study. So we'll understand basically what is that exactly. So at here you can see that at there is 0% of carbon, that is called as a plain carbon steel or called as a low carbon steel, and as soon as this carbon percentage increases from 0 onwards, as the carbon percentage increases from 0 onwards, it is called as a low carbon or high carbon steel. So you can see this is iron carbon based equilibrium diagram. This iron carbon diagram shows different phases, different structures at different temperatures. This property of iron is shown the entropy of iron at initial temperature. This iron shows that the plain carbon steel are called as a so this is a plain carbon steel at room temperature. As soon as the carbon percentage increases from 0 to 0.08 or as shown in your diagram 0.002, 0.022. So that is the carbon shows to some alpha ferrite phase. This initial alpha ferrite phase, it is in the body centered cubic crystal structure, BCC structure, and at here above 2% of carbon, up to 2% of carbon that steel is called as a steel is up to 2% of carbon. Carbonचा percentage 2% पण असतं 0 पासून 2% पण. It is called as a steel, either plain carbon steel, medium carbon steel or high carbon steel. So at up to 2% only it is a steel, but as soon as the carbon percentage increases from 2 onwards, From 2 onwards, that material is called as a cast iron. That iron converted into another form, that is a cast iron. From 2 onwards, 2% onwards, it is called as a cast iron. So that cast iron is having different properties than your steel probe. So it can be casted easily. So that is cast iron at this normal temperature up to this constant temperature line 727 degrees Celsius. In the first part, this constant temperature line is called as a at temperature degree 727 degrees Celsius. That is a up to that there is a constant line. Up to this there is a some alpha ferrite phase. Initially at room temperature from 0% of carbon up to this 0.22. So that is up to this phase. That is first region is alpha ferrite phase. This alpha ferrite phase or called as a ferrite phase. It is in the BCC structure, body centered cubic crystal structure. Now, as soon as the temperature rises from this 727 degrees Celsius onwards, this around this 800 and around this. So, at this 912 degrees Celsius, at this 912 degrees Celsius, this alpha ferrite phase is converted into the gamma austenite. This alpha ferrite phase is converted into gamma phase or called as austenite phase. So, this gamma austenite phase again it is in the FCC structure, phase center cubic crystal structure. So, this FCC or this gamma phase, gamma austenite phase, stable from iron at room temperature, that alpha ferrite phase, and this FCC phase is transforms to BCC, body centered cubic crystal structure, at this 1395 degrees Celsius. So initially there is a phase centered cubic crystal structure. This alpha ferrite phase is the phase centered cubic crystal structure, and this alpha ferrite phase alpha ferrite phase is converted into this alpha ferrite phase is in the FCC structure, phase centered cubic crystal structure, and when it is converted into the gamma austenite, this gamma austenite it is called as a BCC structure, body centered cubic crystal structure, and at that higher temperature, around this 30 or 40 degrees Celsius, this 1 minute shows this gamma austenite. Again, this converted into the delta ion or liquid ion. The delta ion is again having BCC structure or body centered cubic crystal structure. So in this way, ion shows the different properties. Ion shows the different crystal structures at different temperatures as well as at different carbon composition. This property of ion is called as a entropy of ion. Entropy of ion. This is a means ion showing the different phases at different temperatures. This L is the liquid phase. At higher temperature, this is L liquid phase, which is delta ion, and below that there is again delta ion plus gamma austenite. This gamma austenite or called as a austenite phase, and at this initial temperature, at that from the room temperature up to this constant temperature and 723 or 727 degrees Celsius. So these are the different phases. These are the different crystal structures found in iron carbon equivalent diagram. And at here above this 2% of carbon, there is a cast iron material. This cast iron material is showing the cementite structure, cementite phase. That cementite means Fe3C. Once one carbon atom reacting with the three ferrous atom. That is cementite phase at that higher carbon percentage. When the carbon percentage increases from 2 onwards, the carbon doesn't remains stable. It reacts with the three ferrous atom. That forms the Fe3C or called as the cementite structure. So this is your iron carbon equivalent diagram showing the temperatures. Three temperatures like 727 degrees Celsius constant temperature line. Then around this 1500 degrees Celsius there is a medium temperature line, and at this higher temperature around this 1300 degrees Celsius or 1400 degrees Celsius there is a high temperature line. So these are the three critical temperatures. These are the three critical temperatures. At this higher temperature This solid ion is converted into the completely liquid phase, that is liquid ion or molten steel. Whereas this medium temperature line, there is a gamma austenite phase at this 1130 degrees Celsius or this 2055 Fahrenheit. There is a austenite phase or called as gamma austenite phase, and below this, at that first constant temperature line, there is a 727 or 720 degrees Celsius. There is a alpha Fahrenheit phase or called as alpha phase. So these are the three critical temperatures: lower critical temperature, medium critical temperature, and upper critical temperature. So these are the three critical temperatures for any ion carbon dioxide. This critical temperature shows different critical temperatures showing different changes. These are the phases, different crystal structures at different temperatures. This is your ion carbon diagram. To 6.67% is carbon only we are considering on this ion carbon diagram. So alpha ferrite solid solution of carbon in body center cubic crystal structure ferrous. Stable form of ion at room temperature. The maximum solubility of carbon is 0.022%. You can see this at this 0.022% carbon there is a alpha ferrite phase transforms to FCC at gamma austenite at 900 degrees Celsius. This alpha ferrite phase is transferred to gamma austenite phase at around this 912 degrees Celsius. It is completely converted into the gamma austenite phase at 912 degrees Celsius. So the second is the gamma austenite phase. So gamma austenite is again solid solution of carbon in ferrous (FCC) or ferrous. The maximum solubility of carbon in 2.14% weight, that is gamma austenite phase. So transforms to BCC alpha BCC delta Fahrenheit at 1395 degrees Celsius. At that higher temperature, it is converted into the delta Fahrenheit phase. So that is a delta Fahrenheit phase. It is not stable below the effective temperature 727 degrees cooled rapidly. So at that high temperature, there is a delta Fahrenheit phase and delta solid solution. At this carbon in BCC phase. The same structure as alpha ferrite. It is in BCC structure, which is same as alpha ferrite, stable only at higher temperature of 1394 degrees Celsius, and at around this 1538 degrees Celsius it is maintained. There is Fe3C, iron carbide or cemented phase. This intermetallic compound is metastable. It remains as a compound indefinitely at room temperature, but decomposes very slowly within several years into alpha ferrite and carbon graphite at around 650 to 700 degrees Celsius. That is your iron carbon equivalent diagram. So these are the eutectic and eutectide reactions. So this is called as eutectide reaction at the 0.76 carbon percentage. That is at lower critical temperature there is eutectide temperature and at medium critical temperature. This alpha ferrite phase is converted into gamma austenite. The eutectide reaction and at the medium temperature reaction around this 1147 degrees Celsius. There is a eutectic reaction. This eutectic reaction founds that liquid is converted into two types of solids. Two types of solids. That is a ion carbon equivalent diagram. This is microstructure of ion carbon. So eutectide steels showing different crystal structures. Eutectide steel, hypereutectide steel. Left of the diagram is hypoeutectide and right of the diagram is called as hypereutectide steel. Hypo and hypereutectide steels. So these are the different structures of eutectide steels. हॅलो, आदित्य आवाज येतो का रे माझा? हॅलो, आदित्य आवाज येतो का माझा? हॅलो, आदित्य एम ऑडिबल? हॅलो, आदित्य आवाज येतो का माझा?